Are you struggling to keep garden hedges and bushes tidy but get tangled in old power tools and cords, and blunt heavy cutters just make the job even harder? Time to get the Kleva 2-in-1 hedge trimmer, the all-new lightweight and cordless garden miracle that trims, shears, prunes, cuts and manicures, hedges, trees, bushes and more. It's like two machines in one. The large blade easily trims through thick growth for that perfect even hedge the neighbours will envy. Switch out the blade to the grass shears and these precision shapers will make you a master at fast, easy detailing on shrubs, bushes and a picture-perfect lawn edge. The secret's in the dual-action reciprocating blades that cut clean and can be changed fast. With a long hedge blade for large areas and an 80mm shear blade for precision work, they're powerful enough to cut through thick branches with ease. Forget bulky battery packs and cords that just get in the way. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Kleva 2-in-1 charges fast and lets you know when it's ready. Cutting, trimming and shaping is now fast and easy, and it's so small and portable it's as light as a loaf of bread. Plus, with a soft, non-slip grip and dual safety lock, it makes general tidying and intricate shaping safer than ever. Stop wasting money on overpriced tools or struggling with painful old-style cutters that are hard to use, and do it all in one the easy way.